Credit Versio review. We will talk about Credit Versio, features, pros, cons, and pricing. Credit Versio is an online credit repair platform that provides tools and resources for individuals to manage and improve their credit scores. Unlike traditional credit repair services that do everything for you, Credit Versio is designed to empower users to take control of their credit repair process. Features of Credit Versio. Automated dispute process. Credit Versio offers an automated dispute process that helps users identify errors on their credit reports and generate dispute letters to send to credit bureaus. Credit report analysis. The platform analyzes your credit report to highlight negative items that could be disputed. This feature simplifies the process of understanding what needs to be addressed. Wow. Step-by-step guidance. Credit Versio provides step-by-step guidance throughout the credit repair process, making it accessible even for those with no prior experience in credit repair. Credit monitoring. The service includes credit monitoring tools that allow users to track changes in their credit report and stay informed about their credit status. Pros of Credit Versio. Affordable. Credit Versio is generally more affordable than traditional credit repair services, making it accessible to a wider range of users. Empowers users. The platform empowers users to take control of their credit repair process, providing them with the tools and knowledge needed to manage their credit effectively. Automated and efficient. The automated dispute process streamlines the credit repair process, saving users time and effort. Educational resources. Credit Versio offers educational resources that help users understand credit repair and how to maintain good credit health. Credit monitoring included. The inclusion of credit monitoring tools allows users to stay on top of their credit status and catch any new issues quickly. Cons of Credit Versio. DIY approach. Credit Versio requires users to be proactive in managing their credit repair process, which may not be suitable for everyone. Sencillo. Some users may prefer a service where everything is handled for them. Firma. Results may vary. As with any credit repair service, results can vary based on individual credit histories and the nature of the disputes. There is no guarantee of success. Credit Versio is a robust and affordable option for those looking to take control of their credit repair process. With features like automated dispute generation, credit report analysis, and credit monitoring, the platform offers the tools needed to manage and improve your credit score. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.